So welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class we discussed about the basic options of the MS Word, and now we are going to start the functions of options. So first of all, as you can see, I have wrote a text and I'm going to select this. I have selected this. If you want to increase the font size, you can increase the font size from here. This option, the name of this option is increase font size, and the name of this option is decrease font size. If you want to increase font size, you have to click here. If you want to decrease font size, you have to click here. From here you have to mention if you want to change your font size in numbers, you can also do that. You have to write the number here, 30, 40 or whatever you want. For example, I'm write here 60 and press enter. This is the 60 number. If you want to make it bold, you have to click on the bold. Bold will make your text a little bit bold and little bit darker. If you want to make it your text italicized, you can curve. If you want to curve it or bend it, you can do that. You have to click on the here. This is option is italic, and the function of this option is it make your text italicized, italic. And after that we have underline. This option create the line under the text. You have to click here. As you can see here we have the text this, and it will make your text underline. So this is the basic option. This is the bold, italic, underline. These options also have shortcut keys. If you want to use the bold, you have to press the Control B. If you want to use italic, you have to press the Control I and U. If you want to use the underline, you have to press the Control U. These are the basic options. Control B for bold, Control I for italic, Control U for underline. These have the shortcut keys as well. If I want to remove underline, I have to press the Control U. And if I want to use this option, strike through, you have to click on this. The function of a strike through option is create the line between the. So I hope for this video, I hope for today's class, this is enough, and about other options we will discuss in the next class. See you in the next video.